Hey, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I'm Darren, of course, and today we're going to do another burger in our anything but beef burger series. But today it's going to be ostrich. But not just ostrich, we're going to do an OBE, which is ostrich, bacon, and egg. So we're going to cook it up on the flat top. We're going to make this a little thicker. I want to make it more of a medium, but I'm not going to sous vide it this time. Just going to cook it up on the flat top with the bacon and the egg, finish it off, try it out. Alright guys, I'll be right back for ostrich, bacon and egg. I'll be back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from Fire and Water.
So yeah guys, so I'm getting this from Wild Fork online, like I said, but they get their stuff from Fossil Farms. I think it's the same actual company, same owner, same company. So Fossil Farms. So this is ground ostrich. It does not say that it's got anything, any other meat in there, no beef or anything added in. So it looks like it does have some fat to it. It's all natural, 100% ground ostrich meat. And from what I understand, it's actually a pretty good red meat. So unlike chicken or other poultry or other birds, this is more of a red meat. So that's what we're gonna find out. I'm gonna lightly season it with some of my all-purpose black garlic seasoning. And like I said, we're gonna put a slice of cheese on it, bacon, and egg, just to see if I can tell the difference. If I cook the regular beef burger like that, I know what to expect. But with the ostrich, I want to see if it's going to taste any different at all. So join me guys, I'm going to go ahead and get these pattied up. And like before, I'm not going to make my wife and daughter eat these. We're going to make their own beef burgers. But we're going to get bacon, egg, and ostrich on ours. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I got these pattied up. Got my mic fixed too. So, ostrich is on this side here. See those two ostrich burgers and of course my regular beef burgers. So you can actually see the difference between the two before I cook them up. I got my egg ready, got some cheese. I'm gonna get my bacon on first. I'm gonna get my bacon all cooked off, nice and crispy, and then we're gonna take that off, let it drain. Then we'll put our patties on. But first, I'm going to put just a little bit of my all-purpose black garlic seasoning on all these burgers. I'll put some on the other side once we get that on the griddle. I'm going to go ahead and lay the bacon down. It's going to be a fast cook, guys. It's all ready to go. Get the bacon going, take that off, then we'll put the burgers on. I'll be right back. Alright guys, the griddle is really nice and hot. I got the center the hotter than the outside edge. On the outside edge we're going to toast the buns when we're cooking the burgers. But the inside here is really hot, and that's what's going to give us a good crust on the burger. And it's going to crisp up this bacon just the way we want it. So I'm going to make sure I get this cooked all the way. Then we're going to set it off to the side, let it drain off while we cook the burgers. Alright, that's it guys. It's almost done. I'll be right back when we're cooking the burgers. Alright guys, bacon's done. I'm just going to lay just a little bit of oil down, just in case. I'm going to put my ostrich burger down first, one of them. Put the other one here. Put my ground beef burgers over here. Keep them separated. We're going to cook our egg last. Want these to get a nice good crust before we flip them. I'm going to put just a little bit more seasoning on this side. I could hit these with a probe, but I'm not going to this time, guys. I'm just going to kind of wait till The I see some moisture bubbling up. In the middle here, and those sides starting to curl up pretty good. Then we're going to give it a flip. I got the griddle at a medium high. That should be fine for us. Like I said, I'm going to do the egg last. That way I can just, when the egg is done cooking, I'll just put it right on top of my burger. Alright guys, so I think it's time to get these flipped. You can see they've kind of started shrinking a little bit, and the sides are all curling up. The beef burgers, they got more fat in them. The fat's kind of pooling up on the top. So we're going to go ahead and get these flipped. You can see got a really good Maillard reaction crust on there. Now it's going to start cooking that meat even more, some of that steam from the fat. This is a pretty thick ostrich burger here, guys. Super awesome crust we got going on there. I'm really happy with that. So you're going to let these cook for another minute or so before I put the cheese on, because I want them to get more medium. If I put it on now, I'd want to take it off before it melts all over the griddle. I can use my lid to help melt that cheese anyway. But definitely, see, it's giving it, some of the juices are coming out. Looking pretty awesome. Alright, I'll be back when we're cheesing them up and taking them off. Alright guys, it's time to get the cheese on. I got my buns toasting there on the outer side of the griddle. Like I said, that's the cooler zone. But we're going to put cheese on these, and then we're going to go ahead and put our lid on to get them melted up really nice. So that's it. Final touches. Then we're going to put this thing together and take a bite. Alright, that cheese is melted perfect. We'll go ahead and get these off, and we'll put our egg on. Alright guys, I'm going to clean off a little spot here for the eggs. I don't want to have any of the residue on there that'll make the eggs stick. Put a little bit more oil down. The grill's still hot enough that it's going to cook this egg really fast. I want to make my yolk still kind of runny. I don't want it overdone. I want it kind of like a medium, but I still want the fat from the yolk running down the burger. Alright guys, it's done. Let's get it off, get it on the burger. Alright guys, here it is. I'm going to take my bun. This is my big, thickest ostrich burger with my egg on it. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put just a little bit Duke's mayo on the bottom of the bun. A little bit on top. A little bit Heinz ketchup on the top. Take our burger, put it right there. A couple pieces of our bacon. Top it off. There you have it. Oh, look at that. Yolk popped. Coming right out. See that? Yolk's giving me a really good picture right now. Wow, that's going to be a good bite right there, guys. I can tell you. So, might as well have at it since the yolk already popped. Get back on there, bacon. Look at that. Still pretty good medium as well. Wow. That's pretty damn good. Woo. Now, It is different than a beef burger. I want to say, kind of like the kangaroo, it's a little sweeter, but definitely a little bit more savory. Not as gamey as you would think. Probably not as gamey as the lamb, but heck, guys, that was pretty good. And I think that egg helps out that fattiness too. Since it was pretty lean, the egg will help out on the fattiness. So there you have it, guys. Oh, ostrich burger. Try them out. Get it from Wild Fork or Fossil Farms. Pretty good, I gotta say. I'm really impressed with it. Not gamey at all. Very sweet. Wow, that's great. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Check out the Ostrich Burger. Check out Fire and Water Cooking Edible Creations, seasonings and sauces below. And I'll see you on the next Anything But Beef Burger video.